Hello and welcome. This is a listening practice activity. Listen to the recording, read the questions in the description box, write down your answers. You can play the recording again if you need to check. See the correct answers at the end of the video. A walk through Manhattan. If you ever visit New York City, don't miss the chance to explore Manhattan, the island that never sleeps. Start your walk in Times Square, right in the heart of the city. Look around. The bright screens, music, and yellow taxis will make you feel like you're in a movie. From there, walk up Broadway towards Central Park. It's about 15 blocks, so wear comfortable shoes. When you reach 59th Street, turn right and go through the park gates. Inside, everything changes. The noise disappears, and you can hear birds instead of car horns. Follow the path around the lake until you see people rowing boats and playing guitars. It's the perfect spot to relax and take photos. After that, head south again and take the subway to the World Trade Center. Go up to the observation deck and you'll see the whole city. The Hudson River on one side and Brooklyn on the other. When you come back down, walk east to the Brooklyn Bridge. If you cross it at sunset, you will see the lights of Manhattan come on one by one. Finally, turn back towards the skyline and take a deep breath. You will understand why so many people fall in love with this city. Manhattan isn't just a place. It's an adventure waiting at every corner.